May 22nd, 2025, our bi-weekly cover crop check. We're just south of the Dodge County Fairgrounds on a healthy soil, healthy water grower participant. So we're on week 30 for our cover crop, but it was terminated within the last 2 weeks, and we're in week 4 with our cash crop, which is the soybean crop. We'll get into that in just a little bit. We're standing at our flag where we usually stand at. Last week on Thursday we had a storm event that had went through, and anyways and there was some hail. Our flag either had gotten clipped off from hail or from the storm damage. Temperature outside right now is 50 degrees. Soil temperature, we're at 50 degrees. We're at like 49 actually for the outside temperature. Last 2 days we've gotten a total of 2 inches, maybe 2.5 inches of rain. And 4 weeks ago we had shot water infiltration video. If you didn't see it, go back and look at it. The whole idea, the concept of growing cover crops, doing very little tillage, is trying to get the water to move away as quickly as possible. So the rain event that we had, we dumped in 16 ounces of water, and the idea is that's a 1-inch flash flood that occurred. It took 2 minutes for that water to disappear. And as we had anticipated, that water was going to be gone here, and it is. Here's kind of a lower, wetter area of the field. The water's gone. Okay, so let's get into looking at what we found for digging. So we're going to show, if this shows up in the video, which I hope it does, we've got roots going down. This is fibrous roots from the rye up on top, if it's shown in the video. I hope we can see that. And we've got some roots going down like 14 inches. This is rye roots. If you can see that in the video, great. And then we could see roots going down maybe to 16 inches. So in the past, other years, we've measured root growth, rye root growth, going like 1 inch a week. So we're in week 30. I don't think we've got roots going down 30 inches this year, but we had cold winter, which is great. We needed to have that. So one plant that we dug up with a whole bunch of fibrous roots from the rye. These are roots going down maybe 8 inches. This is just a plant that we dug out. Close, you can see that. You can see all the roots, which is great. Here's our cash crop. So we're on week 4. The soybeans are about to emerge, or they are emerging. This is our cash crop. This is what we got going on. So we got 2 crops growing here. Actually, one was terminated within the last week. So we'll shoot a video going down the cornfield or the soybean field. You can see a whole bunch of cover. There's life going on above ground, and there's a whole bunch of life going on below ground.